Hey guys, welcome back to my channel for some Christmas clean and decorating in our bedrooms. I love to decorate all of our bedrooms for pretty much every major holiday, but Christmas is definitely my favorite. And I would love to know, do you decorate your bedrooms for Christmas or for any other holiday, or do you mostly keep your decor in your main living spaces? There's definitely no right or wrong answer here. You do whatever makes you feel the most comfortable and the most happy, but in our household, it brings us so much joy to be as over-the-top festive as possible, and so that means a lot of Christmas bedroom decor. Of course, we all have our own individual tastes and styles, so I've got a ton of different Christmas decorating ideas to share with you today, and I hope that you're going to enjoy that. I am going to start in my master bedroom, and before I could pull out any decor, I needed to tidy up.
Out getting a tree while my sister and me are writing verses and rhymes. Soon they will be here, same as every year. Everyone wants home for Christmas. No.
This is everything that I set aside for our bedroom this year, and actually almost all of it is from last year's decor, with the exception of these two trees here, which are part of the Hearth and Hand collection this year, and I picked them up at Target. But everything else I had left over, and we kind of have this like black and gold and red theme going on in our bedroom, so I'm going to try to use all these pieces to tie that together. But I think I'm going to start with our Christmas tree. We got this pencil tree from Walmart last year to put in our bedroom, and I loved it, so I want to do that again.
Knocking at the door, here everybody's welcome, the rich and the poor. Kids play on the outside in the newly fallen snow, while the grown-ups all huddle up inside away from the blistering cold. Soon Santa will be here, the same as every year. Everyone wants home for Christmas.
Fluffing this took so long. It is such a tedious process, but also very necessary. And this is just a pencil tree, so I can only imagine how long it takes to fluff a full-size tree. Definitely it takes a lot longer than the actual decorating, but I'm so glad that I took the time to get it done properly because I love how it turned out and I really enjoy having this tree in my bedroom.
Something even the grown-ups can. The carrot for his nose. Let's call him Frosty. He'll be our friend. What does it matter if it's all pretend?
I reused all of the same ornaments that I had on this tree last year. I think next year I would love to add some pops of gold and maybe some more snowflake or snowy type of ornaments, but we did buy all new Christmas decor for our living room this year, and so I didn't want to max out on our budget. Instead, I'm just reusing everything that we already had for all of the bedrooms, and I'll just try to catch some gold ornaments at the end of Christmas clearance this season. But either way, way. I really love the way that it turned out. And I wanted to show you guys this little trick because we also don't have a tree skirt for this tree. You can just use any kind of cozy blanket that you love and arrange it around the base of the tree to use as a tree skirt, and I think it turned out great. I really, really love having a Christmas tree in my bedroom, and I love how snowy and cozy and beautiful it is, even if it's not over the top, ornate, and decorated to the max. I think that it's perfect for us, and I find so much joy in this. But if you would like to see this Christmas tree all lit up and looking beautiful, snowy, and cozy at nighttime, then definitely make sure that you are subscribed and you've got your notification bell turned on, because I will be sharing clips of that in my decorated Christmas home tour this year, and I don't want you to miss it. So make sure your notifications are turned on to notify you of all new posts so that you don't miss that video. But now let's decorate the rest of the room.
The city is covered in snow tonight. Where did my love go? Santa, I'm waiting for him, but he's nowhere inside. And all of the presents are still by the tree. They don't mean a thing till he's here with me. If you know where he is, please give him a ride, and I will wait here by the candlelight, 'cause his love is all I need, and my love I can guarantee. So please Santa, bring back my love tonight.
The next room that I wanted to decorate is my youngest daughter Sawyer's bedroom. She is 3, a tiny toddler tornado, and she definitely has a very vibrant and colorful personality. It's a challenge for me always to decorate in her bedroom because I tend to gravitate more towards neutral, calm decor, and she likes everything to be colorful and beautiful and over the top, and I love that about her, but it does take me a little bit to try to get everything right for her. So I wanted to do this room next because she was at preschool while I was filming this, and I wanted to have enough time to get it all finished before she got home from school so that it would be a nice surprise to welcome her home. She had been asking me for a while if I could put up her Christmas decor, and I kept telling her I just needed to wait to film this video, so I was definitely excited to pull out this bin of decor that I had set aside from her room, take a look at everything, and figure out how to arrange it. This is everything that I have set aside to decorate Sawyer's room for Christmas, and I am beyond excited. All of these pieces just scream Sawyer. They are so fun and whimsical and colorful, and it's going to be a challenge because I've never decorated with this kind of color palette for Christmas before, but I'm excited to see what I can come up with for her. So if you watched my Christmas videos from last year, then you would have seen that I used this tree and this joy sign to decorate in Sawyer's room last year as well. I put them on her nightstand, but this year I displayed them on her bookshelf, and she loved them so much that I knew that I had to put them in here again. They do light up, and it's one of her favorite things to turn them on before bed and fall asleep using them as night lights. It is so cute and sweet, and I love that she loves these pieces just as much as I do. But the rest of the decor that I'm using, I pretty much found at the end of Christmas clearance deals last year, like this new Christmas tree and all of the colorful ornaments I'm using to decorate it. We found some plush ornaments, a pillow, and a throw blanket that all went together in that colorful, vibrant theme that Sawyer loves. We got so lucky and we found everything for less than $2. Most things were like a quarter, and we snatched them all up to use them for her decor this year. So I was really excited to put those pieces out and decorate and have her bedroom fully festive for this holiday season.
Everyone's having a good time. I hear those jingle bells, people singing about love. It feels like I'm a kid, like I'm forever young. And that's why I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. No, it's the time of year, winter wonderland. My winter wonderland. It's the time of year, my winter wonderland, my winter wonderland. I wanna sing about the Christmas on its way. A reason to hang around and celebrate this day. Everyone's smiling and it's snowing. It's the time of year again. I'm happy you're here, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland. Oh, my winter wonderland.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da.
These little frames on her nightstand are always my favorite part of Sawyer's holiday decor, and they're her favorite part too. Derek draws her these little holiday characters, and this year he drew a Santa and an elf on the shelf, and she is obsessed with them. She named her elf Bubblegum, and I thought that was the sweetest thing.
It's a chance to start over new, 'cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, oh, la da da da. Making our Christmas.
The last room I am decorating is my oldest daughter Kinsley's bedroom, and she does a great job of keeping her room tidied up for the most part, so I didn't really have too much to do in here besides make her bed.
My house with Christmas lights, so you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols that you love. We'll be singing all the melodies until the sun comes up. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
This is everything that I have set aside to use in Kinsley's bedroom this year. I'm really excited. Some of these things, like this Mary sign and these moss trees, I actually used in our living room last year, but Kinsley requested that I use them in here because they will match her wallpaper so well. And then we also found a ton of new trees at Target this year that she just fell in love with and wanted me to incorporate into her decor. So I'm just so excited to bring this together for her. She has shared her vision with me, and I'm hoping that I get it right.
Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas memories. Let's seize all the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you. Just you and nobody else. It's so good to see you again, to see you again. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hanging by the fire chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, yeah, I've been longing to hold.
In the past, I have always used one of those tiny little tinsel trees that you can find at Walmart and Target to decorate in Kinsley's bedroom for Christmas. But this year, I decided to set up this 3-foot pre-lit tree, and I just used her little plant basket as a tree collar, and she loved it so much. I decorated it with some snowflake ornaments and then also some pink frosted and glitter ornaments, and it didn't turn out exactly as I had envisioned because it was so short, but she is absolutely in love with it. She was over the top filled with joy, and it really made me want to find her like a full-size pencil tree to go in here. I think she would just love and appreciate that so much. So I am now on the hunt for a larger pencil tree to put in this corner of Kinsley's bedroom. It doesn't matter to me if it is a flocked tree or if it's a natural branch type of tree, just whichever one I can find a good deal on. I'm hoping to be able to catch it during this season, but if I have to wait until after Christmas clearance, then she'll just enjoy it next year. But if any of you happen to stumble upon a good deal, please bring it to my attention. Either leave me a comment in my videos or DM me over on Instagram. My handle is at LovingLifeAsMegan, and I would appreciate it so much if you would help me hunt down a good deal on a pencil Christmas tree for Kinsley.
Can you feel it too? Girl, I won't let you go. When the sky comes alive, let's have a jolly holiday. Holiday, yeah. Let's have a jolly holiday.
This is going to be everything for today's video. I hope that you all enjoyed decorating all of our bedrooms for Christmas this year. I had a ton of fun setting up all of the Christmas decor, not only in my own bedroom, but also for my daughters, and I know that they love it too, and I love sharing it with you. It's so much fun to be able to share all of these different decor themes and styles with you throughout each of our bedrooms. Leave me a comment and let me know which theme is your favorite, which room is the closest to your own personal decor style. I always love to hear that. Anyway, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you aren't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.